Hello and welcome to this 3-minute reset. Please do not do this if you're driving, operating anything machinery or looking after children. So just bringing yourself to somewhere where you can close your eyes for a few minutes. And I just want you just to, wherever you are, just sitting in a comfortable position, making sure that your spine is straight. And you can do this by rolling your shoulders back and down. Feel your chest opening so that you can breathe. If your eyes aren't closed, just bringing them to a gentle close. And just starting to focus on your breath. Focus on your inhale. Feeling that breath moving down through your chest, through your diaphragm, down into the pit of your stomach. Feel your belly expanding with the breath. Perhaps noticing the sensation of your waistband as you feel a breath deep in your stomach. As you exhale, feeling yourself releasing and letting go of anything that's not serving you, any lower vibrational energies, any frequencies, any thoughts, any challenges. Anything in this particular moment that is causing you any kind of distress, bring it to your mind, and as you exhale, exhale it out through your mouth, releasing the attachment to the challenge, releasing all negativity from every single cell in your body. And as you inhale in, I want you to inhale a beautiful, bright, white light in through that breath. Feel that breath, feel that white light moving down your spine, resetting your nervous system. Taking a few more breaths here, resetting, recalibrating, realigning your mind and body. In these moments, detaching from all of the stress around you and just affirming to yourself that you've got this. Allowing your mind to rest. And gently opening your eyes and continuing through your day.